Here we have a 2018 XL883 Sportster Iron in black denim. Harley-Davidson logoing on the tank. Does have the Evolution air-cooled engine, 883 cc's. Equipped with mid-mount controls. There's also an added passenger peg. All you have to do is add the passenger pillion, take someone along for the ride. Solo tuck and roll seat. The nice low seat height, perfect for all heights of riders. Rear suspension is preload adjustable to accommodate for two-up riding or for a more aggressive riding style. Bullet turn signals in the rear. The iconic peanut tank with center fill gas cap, and speedometer is located on the handlebars. Kind of give you an inline sight view, keep your eyes on the road longer. And we're looking at 2,119 miles on the odometer. Does have that contrast cut 9-spoke front wheel, 19-inch chop fender to show it off. Let's go ahead and hear a cold start.